Right then, just a quick review of Seaside Profits. Now, this is by Aidan Corkery and Fergal Downs. This is the sales page. Complete done-for-you system gives you everything you need to create thousands per month in passive monthly income. Okay, so scroll down. Income shot. Okay, $688 in 7 days. Further down, 16,185 in 30 days, and I think some more somewhere. Right, let's get into the actual trading. Now, this, although it says done for you on the sales page, and you can obviously see done for you here, this is all about promoting or creating a membership site of your own. Now, they do offer a done for you products, but basically you can basically join and promote these two products, so you don't have to build your own membership site. But there's plenty of products out there that you can promote that are recurring income. I have one myself. It's called Pay-Per-Click Steps, by the way, if you want to promote that. Anyway, But the bulk of this training is about setting up your own membership site, and there's a lot of money to be made in having your own membership site. But it's far from done for you. You do have to put work in. You have to come up with your own content. You have to create your membership site, and etc. It's not too complicated to do. I built my own membership. In fact, I've got a couple of membership sites, and I built them all myself, and it wasn't that hard at all. But you do have to come up with content, etc. Obviously. So, but I do highly recommend you do it if that's what you want to do. So they go. So ignore really the done for you angle they're going with this. It is actually basically get off your ass and do it yourself if you want to create a good membership site. But they do show you all the steps of creating a good membership site, which is the important bit of the training. Now, they go how to keep your members subscribed, because you want them to keep paying you every month. How to protect your members area so people don't rip your content. This is a big problem. People join just so they can sell your stuff elsewhere for cheap. So highly recommend you pay attention to this. Sales page and graphics copy, etc. Price points and upsells, commission structures, how to generate members with free traffic, how to get paid traffic. And this is about teaching your members to actually promote you. So you've got your membership site all set up. Now you want people to actually promote your membership site. Right, so there's several sections on that. And then we've got a free traffic case study, a paid traffic case study, and then getting your students to promote case study. Okay, so if you want to set up your membership site, yes, I highly recommend this training, and I encourage anybody to set up their own site. There is work behind it, but the rewards are pretty damn good. And so yeah, I highly recommend this course if that's the way you want to go. All right, check the button below for any bonuses I've got going. Hit the like and subscribe button, and enjoy your training.